do this faster.
No.
Oh, you never said you want to give up. So what was it?
Sir, it was me.
Get down. Well, I got a solution for you. I'm Commander Cody, and I'm here to present Commander Cody Crunch. This bar will inject you with more protein than eating a live cow. It also has clusters of honey and steroids in every bite.